Next, IP-SAN, components of Iscsi, an initiator, target, and an IP-based network are the key components of Iscsi. If an Iscsi capable storage array is deployed, then a host with the Iscsi initiator can directly communicate with the storage array over an IP network. However, in an implementation that uses an existing FC array of Iscsi communication, an Iscsi gateway is used. These devices perform the translation of IP packets to FC frames and vice versa, thereby bridging the connectivity between the IP and FC environments. Iscsi protocol stack. SCSI is the command protocol that works at the application layer of the open system interconnection model. The initiators and targets use SCSI commands and responses to talk to each other. The SCSI command descriptor blocks, data, and status messages are encapsulated into TCP IP and transmitted across the network between the initiator and targets. The Iscsi is a session layer protocol that initiates a reliable session between the devices that recognize SCSI commands and TCP IP. The Iscsi session layer interface is responsible for handling login, authentication, target discovery, and session management. TCP is used with Iscsi at the transport layer to provide reliable transmission. TCP controls message flow, windowing, error recovery, and retransmission. It relies upon the network layer of the OSI model to provide global addressing and connectivity. The layer 2 protocols at the data link layer of this model enable node-to-node communication through a physical network. We have direct and diagrammatic representation of Iscsi protocol stack, where we have the OSI model, Iscsi initiator, Iscsi target, which is interconnected with commands and data, login and discovery, windows and segments, packets, frames. Then we have Ethernet, Internet Protocol, TCP/IP, Iscsi, SCSI and data, one among the other which is embedded in that. Iscsi names. An unique worldwide Iscsi identifier known as an Iscsi name is used to identify the initiator and targets within an Iscsi network to facilitate communication. The Iscsi qualified name is an organization which must own a registered domain name to generate Iscsi qualified names. An example of an IQN is iqn.2008002.com.example, which is the optional string. Extended unique identifier. An extended unique identifier is a globally unique identifier based on the IEEE EUI 64 naming standards. An EUI is composed of the EUI prefix followed by a 16-character hexadecimal name such as EUI.0300732A32598D26. This is the diagrammatic representation where you have the Iscsi target, which is the storage array, Iscsi initiator, which is the application server with hypervisor, and Iscsi initiator, which is the application server, ISNS server, application server are connected through an internet protocol which is connected to the Iscsi target.